Hello everyone, I'm glad to welcome you to my channel. 2 eggs. Today, we are going to cook a delicious dish. Mix well. I'm sure many of you have never tried anything like this before. Watch this video until the end. I would be very grateful to you. 3 large potatoes. Grate them on a coarse grater. Friends, from which country and city are you watching my videos? Write it in the comments. It's so amazing that we can communicate all over the world. I love looking at photos of your cities. You'll need a deep mixing bowl. One carrot. Grate it on a coarse grater. Did you know that carrots were not originally orange? Until the 17th century, they were most commonly purple, yellow, or white. Add the grated carrot to the potatoes. Add the beaten eggs. Add salt. Add pepper. Smoked paprika. Friends, share your favorite dishes. What dishes are traditionally prepared in your country, state, or city? A small piece of butter. Can you imagine, friends? In medieval Europe, butter was considered a luxury and a symbol of wealth. In some countries, like France, it was even used to pay taxes. Add the mixture to a frying pan. Shape it into a round form. Press well to make the layer thin. Fry on both sides. Remove from the pan when done. Repeat the process several times. Did you know that the first mentions of potatoes in American cuisine date back to the late 1600s? However, for a long time, potatoes were considered an exotic product and were mainly used to feed livestock. Usually, this amount of ingredients makes 4 to 5 pancakes. Vegetable oil. "500 grams of ground beef, about 1.1 pounds. 1 onion, chop finely. 2 cloves of garlic, chop finely as well. 'Add the garlic to the ground beef. One bell pepper. I know not everyone likes bell peppers. You can skip it if you don't like it. Add the pepper to the ground beef. Add 70 grams of tomato paste, about 2.5 ounces. Salt, pepper, smoked paprika, Italian herbs, or any of your favorite herb seasonings. A bunch of parsley, chop finely. Grease a baking tray with vegetable oil. Place the potato pancakes on the tray. Watch the video and follow the steps. You'll do great. I believe in you. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 355 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 10 minutes. 100 grams of mozzarella cheese, about 3.5 ounces. Grate it on a coarse grater. Take the dish out of the oven and sprinkle each parcel with cheese. Return to the oven for another 5 to 7 minutes. Now, let's prepare a delicious sauce. 100 grams of sour cream or Greek yogurt. 1 fresh cucumber. We'll need half of it. Grate half of the cucumber on a coarse grater. A bunch of dill. Chop finely. Add the dill to the sauce and mix well. Our dish is ready. Dear friends, thank you for watching until the end. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. I'll be very happy to have new subscribers and make new friends. Enjoy your meal.